Dear students, in this video I explain JK flip-flop. JK means jump key flip-flop. Jump key is also called as Jack Kilby flip-flop. Jack Kilby is the scientist name. He was introduced with this flip-flop so that this flip-flop is called as jump key flip-flop or Jack Kilby flip-flop or JK flip-flop. So this JK flip-flop logic diagram is like this. So in this diagram, 3 input NAND gate. This is 3 input NAND gate. So the third input is connected to Q bar. Here the third input is connected to Q. This is the extra line between SR and JK flip-flop. If you remember this, if you remove this one and this one, these two lines, the remaining diagram is same as SR flip-flop. If we connect these two lines, this SR flip-flop can be converted into a JK flip-flop. So here 3 input NAND gate, 3 input NAND gate. If these two are 2 input NAND gates, then the flip-flop is called as SR flip-flop. If this is converted as the 3 input NAND gate and the third input of this NAND gate is connected to Q bar, the third input of this NAND gate is connected to Q, then the circuit can be converted into the JK flip-flop. Mainly the JK flip-flop was introduced to eliminate the disadvantage in SR flip-flop. In SR flip-flop, one disadvantage is there. The disadvantage in the SR flip-flop is if S is equal to 1, R is equal to 1, the output state is indeterminate. So indeterminate means either output either 0 or 1. So we cannot identify either 0 or 1, so that the state is called as indeterminate state. To eliminate the indeterminate state in SR flip-flop, we introduced JK flip-flop. So by using this JK flip-flop, we can eliminate that problem in SR flip-flop. So this is the logic diagram for JK flip-flop, and block diagram for JK flip-flop is like this. JK, both are inputs. Here two inputs is there. One is J, second one is K. Clock pulse, Q bar outputs. So JK flip-flop, the truth table for this JK flip-flop is same as SR flip-flop. So clock pulse, JK, two inputs will be there. Present state QN, next state QN plus 1 state. So same here also, if clock pulse is 0, whatever it may be the J value, whatever it may be the K value, present state is 0, next state is 0. Present state 1, next state 1. That means if JK flip-flop not yet started, whatever it may be the input, what the present state is same as the next state, so that no change condition. Next one, if clock pulse is applied, J value 0, K value 0, previous or present value 0, next value 0, present value 1, next value 1. The condition is no change condition. In SR flip-flop also this row is same as JK flip-flop, and if J value 0, K value 1, so the present state or previous state. Present state is 0, next state is 0. If J0, K1, present state 1, next state 0. Whatever it may be the present state, next state values are 0, so that this state is called as reset state. Next one, 1, 0. J value 1, K value 0, present 0, next value 1. J value 1, K value 0, present state 1, next value 1. Whatever it may be the present value, next state value set to 1, so that this condition is called as set. So up to these three conditions, SR and JK flip-flop both are same. No change, reset, set condition. In SR flip-flop, S is equal to 1, R is equal to 1, previous state is 0, present state is indeterminate. Or present state is 0, next state is indeterminate. So to eliminate that problem, so we go for the JK flip-flop. In JK flip-flop, J is equal to 1, K is equal to 1, present value 0, next value 1. If J is equal to 1, K is equal to 1, present value 1, next value 0. So quite opposite in the present and next values. It can be converted, 0 as converted as 1, 1 as converted as 0. So this change condition is called as toggle condition. Toggle means 0s converted as 1s, 1s converted as 0s. So that in SR flip-flop drawback is overcome here in JK flip-flop, that is toggle condition. Previous value, present value 0, next value 1, present value 1, next value 0. So this is the truth table for JK flip-flop. Next one is T flip-flop. T means toggle flip-flop. Already we say toggle means 0s as 1s, 1s as 0. So here the T flip-flop is nothing but toggle flip-flop. So in T flip-flop only the difference is, so here these two gates are called as NOR gates, and these gates are called as AND gates. So otherwise, so T flip-flop is also designed by JK flip-flop. So from the JK flip-flop, J and K both are connected together without any NOT gate. So the circuit is called as T flip-flop circuit. So we can simply draw the T flip-flop. That means this is JK flip-flop. In JK flip-flop, J and K both are combined together without any NOT gate. Directly combined J and K, the circuit is called as T flip-flop. That is the simple circuit to convert JK to T flip-flop. J and K are combined together, that's all. So the JK flip-flop can be converted into the T flip-flop. So this is the logic diagram for T flip-flop. T input, clock pulse, Q bar outputs. So this is the T flip-flop using JK flip-flop, and the logic diagram J and K both are combined together. That is the technique here to convert the JK flip-flop to T flip-flop. Remaining is same as it is. Both J and K are combined together and taken as a single input. That input is called as T, is called as T flip-flop. The truth table for T flip-flop. This is the truth table for T flip-flop. If clock pulse is 1, T value 0, present value 0, next value 0. If T value 0, present value 1, next value 1. That means no change condition. If T value 1, present value 0, next value 1. If T value 1, present value 1, next value 0. That is toggle condition. That means previous 0, present 1, previous 1, present 0. This condition is called as toggle condition. So that here simply we can remember this truth table, that is if T0 means T is not highlighted, that means T0 means no change condition. If T value is 1, T value 1 means T is highlighted, T means a toggle condition, so that output exists the toggle. So if T0 no change condition, if T1 toggle condition. So this is the simple way to remember the truth table of T flip-flop. Here also we can apply the clock pulse 0 condition. If clock pulse 0, whatever it may be the T value, present value 0, next value 0. So clock pulse again 0, that means not applied the clock pulse. If T value 1, otherwise whatever it may be the T value, present value 1, next value 1. That means again no change condition. So simply we can remember that if flip-flop is not started, so the present data is same as previous data. Otherwise, so next data is same as present data. So whatever the data that will be present in the this state, the same data will be forwarded to the next state if flip-flops not started. So that is the same condition for all flip-flops. These are the flip-flops. So next one is master and slave flip-flop. So master and slave flip-flop is used to eliminate the drawback in JK flip-flop. In JK flip-flop, so one drawback is there, that is, so if J and K both are 1, the toggle condition will apply. So after some time it will be not existing. So to eliminate the drawback in JK flip-flop, we go for the master and slave flip-flop. So master and slave flip-flop is the combination of two JK flip-flops combined together. So one flip-flop is called as master flip-flop, second flip-flop is called as slave flip-flop. So by using this master and slave flip-flop, we can eliminate so drawback in JK flip-flop. So these are the flip-flops. So flip-flops are 1-bit storage devices. These are used in the sequential circuits. So latches are not preferably used in the sequential circuits. Flip-flops are mainly used in the sequential circuits, even though latches and flip-flops both are 1-bit storage devices.